Hi, it's Dave, and just a really quick update today, mainly just to say thanks, because I must admit I did have a little bit of a meltdown with the car. As I said in my last video, you know, the whole deal with the suspension and all the work I've done and have to take things apart, I just kind of was like, just the amount of work I'd created for myself. But thanks for all the support. Obviously it wasn't really what I wanted to do to take it apart, but that's the feedback I got, was you're screwed. Take it apart, get on with it. So it's what I've done, and actually it wasn't too bad. The boot here, if I just show you that, I've managed to move the batteries forward, taken everything out that I put in, all the batteries, all the BMS system, all the relays that were in, all out, and did that with the combination of, as people recommended, obviously coming through the car and pushing. I don't know how I'm going to get those batteries back into this place yet, but hell, we'll deal with that next time. And over here, pleased to say, got one of the struts out. So this is the one that was broken, the strut and the spring. Got that out, which is good. It's a bit of a faff, really dirty, but not too bad. The anti-sway bar, I'm going to replace in here. Now, not really sure what it does, to be honest, but it's you have to kind of put an Allen key in to hold it and then undo it, but the bolt is just completely rusted on. So I'm going to have to cut that off and replace that, and I'll replace the other side. So I've got those coming. I've got some shocks and springs coming, which are kind of entry level, to be honest, but they're going to give me harder springs than standard and the adjustability to raise and lower the car slightly. So that'd be good, because I don't know when this gets on the ground how low or high it will be, and yeah, it will just give me the adjustability to just set it down, tweak it, set it down, and until it looks good. This isn't going to be a track day car. You know, I did lots of research about the suspension. You can spend thousands of pounds on super adjustable suspension, but that's for track cars and performance machines, and well, I don't think this is going to be either of those. So the suspension I've got coming should be here next week. I can start putting it back together again. I won't update on all the other bits and pieces yet that I've been doing, because well, it's better when it's in the car than me just saying this is what I've done and then taken apart. So that's me signing off. Just again, very quick thanks just for everybody that commented, all the messages I've had, emails I've had as well. I know a lot of you like to communicate with me about the project, and it's fantastic. Carry on, and hopefully I can get this done and then start making progress again, which would be good. But anyway, catch you next time.